I welcome you back to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your ridge cap in Revit. Okay, we have created our roof and also we have created our concrete fascia. But as you can see, there is something called ridge cap, which is not on our roof currently. Okay, how do I create my ridge cap now? The first thing I'm going to do is to go to any of my elevation where I can be able to copy this roof. Then I will choose my north elevation. Okay, then I will select this roof. I will hit on copy. Then I will select the roof again and move it up by 50 mm. I will hit on enter. Okay, once you copy your roof like this, you can go to your floor plan. Let me go to my ceiling plan. Okay, can you see the roof here? Okay, let me go to my roof plan now. Okay, then I will look for my underlay. Can you see? Because we cannot see what we are going to trace here. Okay, then you go to your underlay. Can you see my underlay here? Range base level is set to none. You left click on it and you set it to ceiling level. Okay, once you set it to ceiling level, it's going to bring the roof out for you. In your own case, in case if you cannot see this roof in full, okay, all you just need to do is to go to your, let me see, you go to your view range. Someone asked a question on the group some days back. You go to your view range, you click on edit, then you increase this middle offset. Okay, you increase the height. Okay, then you click on apply. But as for me, I can see this particular roof completely here. Okay, so the next thing I will be doing now is to click on vertical. Once you click on vertical, you select the roof. Okay, then you use your pick lines. I will left click on the pick lines. Then I want to use the offset of, let me say 80 mm. Okay, then I will offset. Whenever you are working on your ridge cap, make sure you don't tamper what we call the valley. Okay, all you just need to work on is the ridge cap. The one that recesses in or inward is the valley. Okay, so the one that have this angle edge like this, it is what we call the ridge cap. Okay, then I will left click on it at both end, one, and do for the other side too. Can you see that? Okay, and I will do for here as well. I will do for this side and do for this side. I will do for this side. Okay, I will do for this side as well. Okay, then I will do for this side and also do for this side. Okay, do the same thing for here. I will also do the same thing for here. Okay, I will do the same thing for this end and also do the same thing for this end. Okay, this one also, this one also. Okay, then for the external now, I will only offset outside. Okay, I will left click on it. Then you do the same thing for here. Okay, you do the same thing for here. Okay, you do the same thing for this side. Okay, do the same thing for here. Can you see that? You should be able to understand what I'm trying to create now. You do the same thing for this side. Okay, then once you are done with that, you take your trim/extend command. By now you should be able to use the tool perfectly. Okay, then you trim all this edge this way. Okay, you select this one and select it to this one. Okay, you select this one and select this one also. Okay, make sure you trim everything, because if you did not trim it, it's going to give you so many error. Okay, you do the same thing for this side. Can you see those angles? Okay, select this one as well. Okay, you have to check around and make sure all those joints are closed. Okay, select this one and this one. Okay, select this one and this one. Select this one and this one. Can you see that? Okay, then you do the same thing for this side. Okay, trim it this way. Okay, you select this one, trim it this way. Okay, then you do the same thing for this edge. Okay, select this one and this one. Select this one and this one. Okay, I think we are done So let me check very well. If I decide to check it and they are not well closed, it's going to give you some kind of error. Okay, so once you are done with that, then you can finish it up. Okay, then you check what you have done in 3D. Can you see that? I hope you can be able to see this traced line. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see this? Should be able to see this ridge. Let me select it now. Can you see? Can you see the ridge? Okay, that is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, if you cannot see it well, if you remember, we'll move it up with just 50 mm. Let me go to my knot elevation again. I'll select my knot, but I think this is fine, but let's just move it by, let me say, 20 mm again. This time around I'm not going to use copy because I just want to move it. I'll click on move, then I'll select it and add just 20 mm to it. Okay, then I'll go to my 3D now and check. Can you see that the 20 mm is even too much? Can you see the gap? Can you see the gap? Let's just check round. Can you see that gap? We don't need that gap there. It must be very, very close to the roof. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is just to go and adjust the 20 mm back. Although if you did not move closer, you may not see it, but because I zoom closer, that's why I'm able to see that. Can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? So let me go back to my knot. I will select it back, select it. Okay, select your move tool and take it down again by 20 mm. Okay, type 20 mm on your keyboard and hit on enter. Okay, then you check it again in 3D. Can you see now? Can you see that? This is okay. That is that on how to create your ridge cap. Okay, thank you very much. See you in my next video.